Hey guys, so happy Friday, and then we're going to rescue we have some, look at this mother nature. We have some duck, they born the baby, duck born the baby, and now a lot of eagle try to eat them. Papa going to save them. Oh, Papa લઈ ગઈ. આ બચ્ચા અહીંયા. Oh, so look at them. Pick them up and all the eagle here. It was 1,000 eagle here, right? Papa બધા ભગાડી દીધા જો. Oh. બે ઘોડા. પપ્પા બચ્ચા લઈ ગયા શું કર્યું? એ નાવા આવી હતી પપ્પા. ઓ હે ને ક્યાં છે? ક્યાં ગયા? ઉડી ગયા. ક્યાં છે? એ પપ્પા. Okay. Enjoy the guys. No. Oh. That's my neighbor horse. Oh, you are beautiful. Oh, he's old. Oh, look at his one eye is gone. Look at him. Huh? Good job. Look at the beautiful two horse. That's my neighbor here, They have more horses there too. Look. Nice. Huh? Nice? Yeah, their surgery or something happened. Oh, you want to be friends? Say hi to Mike. Okay, next time Papi bring you food, okay? I know, look at this dog. Oh my God. By the way. Oh, yep. Beauty. Sank ne? Eda chalse. Okay, બસ આપનું બહુ ધ્યાન રાખજો. સંઘ છે ને વાંધો નહીં. હાલો ના સંઘ નથી કાઢવા અરે આપણે ખાવાનો કુદરત છે પપ્પા. આપણે બૂટ પહેરીને આવી જાઓ પપ્પા. વેરી નાઇસ. Okay guys, so we have like 1,000 of them, eagle here. So we all came here. Come on. And look at these two beautiful horses. This is for my neighbor here. This is our house in that's where we live here, Manuel. Okay, look at these beautiful horses. That's all from here, I think they do here training or something for the horse. But look at this beautiful horse. Okay, that's all from here, Okay? Okay, bye.